Laser cap for hair growth reviews, realistic results, and what to expect. Today I'm going to walk you through what we really know about laser caps for hair growth, what works, what's tested, and what you can realistically expect if you try one yourself. This isn't magic, and results vary, but for many people, it's a legitimate non invasive option. A laser cap uses low level laser therapy, or LLLT, emitting red or near infrared light to your scalp. The light penetrates shallow skin layers and stimulates hair follicle cells, increasing their energy, improving circulation, and encouraging dormant or weakened follicles to re enter a growth phase. This means if your follicles are still alive, not dead or scarred, they might respond. Clinical studies show for many people with pattern hair thinning, regular LLLT using a helmet, cap, or comb, typically a few times per week for several months, can increase hair density, improve hair thickness, and slow further thinning compared to placebo use. Many users report early improvements in hair quality, strand strength, scalp health, and less shedding before any visible regrowth. With consistent use over 3 to 6 months or more, some users do observe new thinner hairs appear in thinning areas, though results vary widely. For others, the benefit may be more subtle, healthier looking hair, better volume, and slowing of hair loss rather than dramatic regrowth. Effectiveness depends a lot on the device itself. High quality caps with proper wavelength, sufficient power output, and good scalp coverage have the best chance of working. Underpowered or poorly made caps may do little, meaning device quality matters as much as consistency. Also, the therapy is best for early to moderate hair thinning. If hair loss has progressed to baldness with dead follicles, laser caps can help maintain what's left but aren't likely to restore lost hair. Because results are gradual and dependent on consistent use, treat a laser cap as a long term maintenance routine, not a quick fix. For some people, this means ongoing use and possibly combining laser therapy with other proven treatments for the best chance of noticeable hair health improvement. The bottom line is laser caps are among the more scientifically supported non-invasive options. They won't guarantee a thick, full head of hair, but if used correctly and consistently, they can modestly improve hair density and quality, especially for people with thinning hair rather than complete baldness. If you try it, patience and realistic expectations are key.